Welcome to K0. Today I'm diving into one of Myanmar's most iconic celebrations, the Thingyan Festival. Ever wondered how this water-splashing extravaganza began? Let's rewind time and explore its rich history, myths, and cultural roots. The festival's oldest roots tie back to Hindu legends. It's said that Thagyamin, akin to the Hindu god Indra, visits Earth yearly to record human deeds. To cleanse sins, he sprinkles sacred water, a ritual that evolved into Thingyan's iconic water fights. During the pagan era in the 9th to 13th centuries, Buddhism blended with local water rituals, laying Thingyan's foundation. In the Konbaung dynasty of the 18th century, royal ceremonies and water games formalized the festival. Later, the British colonial era added bands and street celebrations, shaping the modern vibe. Atar refers to Myanmar's astrological calendar. Thingyan marks the sun's shift into Aries, lasting 3-5 days before the new year from April 13th to 16th. Dates hinge on the new moon and constellations, a blend of science and tradition. Sprinkling water symbolizes washing away negativity. Buddhists earn merit by donating food and upholding virtues. It's a time for renewal, unity, and celebrating Myanmar's identity. Thingyan is a fusion of Hindu myths, Buddhist values, and Burmese traditions, perfected over centuries. From pagan-era stone inscriptions to Yangon's lively streets, it's a festival that truly defines Myanmar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Thingyan, smash that like button, subscribe for more cultural adventures, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay curious and may your new year be blessed.
K0